The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Still kind of gloomy out there, although the rain not as widespread as it once was. And even early when I talk about widespread rain, it was just widely scattered showers. Now we just have a few showers around, mainly in areas east of Highway 29, extending from Appomattox County south into Halifax County. Give this about another 90 to 120 minutes and these showers will be out of here. Future tracker showing just that. By 2 o'clock in the morning, we're dry, okay? Skies clear out soon thereafter, and tomorrow's going to be a much brighter day than what we had outside today. Don't misunderstand me. We'll probably have some clouds every now and again tomorrow, but still partly to mostly sunny skies on tap for us on our hump day. We're dry Wednesday, we're dry Thursday. Thursday, a day similar to Wednesday in that we're going to see more sunshine than cloud cover from sunup until sundown. Thursday is dry too. Friday, everything starts to change for us. And the reason for that is we have yet another atmospheric river we're tracking, okay? If you're just joining us, if you haven't heard about these things, it's a narrow band of moisture in the low levels that's being tracked into California from the tropics. The Pineapple Express is one example of an atmospheric river. It's going to snow again in the Sierra Nevadas. Rinse and repeat, right? They've had almost 700 inches of snow out across the highest elevations of the Sierra Nevadas this winter. What's west comes east, and eventually this coast-to-coast system will bring us our chance for rain as we head into the latter part of Friday, into Friday night, into the first part of Saturday. So from roughly 3 p.m. Friday through about 2 p.m. Saturday, that's our next best chance for rain. And that rain is going to be a little more widespread than the rain that we dealt with today. Today, just some isolated to widely scattered showers around. Rain's more widespread for us Friday afternoon into midday Saturday. Going to see anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch to about 3/4 of an inch of rain during that time frame. We may even hear a rumble or two of thunder, but I don't think we're going to have any severe weather Friday afternoon into Saturday midday. The best chance for severe weather with this next storm system will stay to the west of us across the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys. Right now, the winds roughly 5 to 15 miles per hour. May have been a little bit breezy out there for us this evening. However, I will tell you that the winds are going to strengthen. Not tomorrow, but rather as we head into the weekend, okay? So the winds strengthen for us Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into Sunday, okay? We're going to have a high pressure system close to a low pressure system. That's called a tight pressure gradient. Wind can't go through these low pressure systems and high pressure systems, rather they go up and around them. So these little green lines, as they get closer together, that's an indicator of more wind for us. Could have gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. 50 right now in Lynchburg, also Roanoke, 48 Danville, also South Boston, 43 Wytheville, and also into Blacksburg. Jet stream has taken a dip to the south. That's one of the reasons why we're cooler today. We're going to stay on the cool side tomorrow, but rest assured by late week into the first part of the weekend, jet stream lifts back up to the north and we turn warm again Friday and Saturday with temperatures in the 70s. Any showers end here pretty soon, but we turn colder, patchy frost possible, lows most everywhere in the 30s. For tomorrow, 50s and 60s. We're going to, I think, have partly to mostly sunny skies in the forecast for tomorrow. A little warmer east, a little cooler west. Your extended forecast, hottest day is Saturday, 76. We cool down briefly Sunday into the 60s, and we're right back up to 70 to 75 Monday and Tuesday of next week. Best chances for rain this week, Friday afternoon into Saturday midday, and then again 1 week from today. Today we forecast a high of 62. Actual high was 60, $10 in the pot, $320 so far raised for the Advancement Foundation.